Hello all. Nowadays we are listening a lot about 5G internet, artificial intelligence and many more. In this video we are going to discuss about 5G, artificial intelligence, its applications, uses, drawbacks, limitations, challenges and so many. This video will be helpful for the people who are getting prepared for competitive exams as this comes under current affairs section. So let's get started. These are the various services of generations of internet. In the first generation of internet, phones have been used. In the second generation, text messages were used. In third generation of internet, online capabilities were achieved. In 4G, faster speed, that is the internet speed has been increased. And in 5G, there are many applications like artificial intelligence and so on. Actually, what is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation of mobile network. It is a new global wireless started after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G networks. As we discussed earlier, 5G is less safe compared to 4G or 3G or even home Wi-Fi. 5G does not cause COVID-19 and does not contribute to the spread of pandemic in any way. Some people are getting doubt that the COVID-19 virus is getting transmitted through the microwaves of 5G, but it is incorrect. COVID-19 virus doesn't pass through the microwaves of 5G. Till date, South Korea, China and US are the countries that lead the world in building and using the 5G technology. 4G internet is 500 times faster than the 3G network. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is nothing but a space for new people or new connections to download files or view internet pages, etc. Some people say we have less bandwidth, we have high bandwidth. Less bandwidth means the network will be slow if more people get connected. Whereas in high bandwidth, everyone will get high speed internet, irrespective of number of connections. Even if more people get connected, the internet speed will be more. That is about high bandwidth. Let's see the comparison between 5G and 4G network. In 5G is said to be 100 times faster than 4G network. And 4G is 500 times faster than 3G network. 5G speed is 10 GB per second and 4G speed is 100 MB per second. In 5G, phone network doesn't get crashed even if too many files are uploaded and downloaded. Whereas in 4G, chance of getting crash is possible. In 5G, a 4K video can be watched straight away. Whereas in 4G network, a 4K video may have buffering time. It means we have to suffer buffer. 5G will be able to fix the bandwidth issues, but 4G and 3G doesn't have that much of infrastructure to resolve the bandwidth issues. It is easy for 5G to handle 20 billion connections at a time simultaneously. 4G cannot handle such a huge number of connections. For 5G, the dream of driverless cars can be realized, that is, artificial intelligence can be possible. But 4G is not that much compatible with artificial intelligence. Here are some important applications of 4G network. 4G supports HD TV on mobile phone. 4G supports high quality video calls and fast mobile browsing. It also led to the development of mobile technology, evolution of smartphone and tablet phones. Till yet we have seen the positive side of 5G network. Now we will see the negative side, the limitations of 5G network. 5G requires too many towers to provide enough bandwidth when compared to 4G and 3G networks. It means if 5G comes, every apartment will get a cell phone tower. Increased energy usage means increased greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. Increased greenhouse gases means increased global warming. Increased global warming implies increased climate change. 5G has harmful effects on birds, which in turn has cascading effects through entire ecosystem. Food chain and food web may get disturbed and finally will suffer. Greenhouse gas emissions are the main contributors of natural disasters such as flooding and drought. Here are some human activities and the percentage of greenhouse gases emitting. For transport activity, 21% of greenhouse gases are emitted. For industrial process, 8%, agriculture 9%, waste is 3%, solvent, chemicals and other activities 0.2%. And here is the highest percentage of greenhouse gases emission, that is 59%. Increased energy usage leads to the increased greenhouse gas emissions. The main component that affect the Earth's ecosystem is millimeter waves. For 4G we have used 6 GHz, whereas for 5G we will be using 24 GHz to 100 GHz. Millimeter waves have been linked to many disturbances in the ecosystem of birds. In a study by the Center for Environment and Vocational Studies of Punjab University, researchers observed the sparrow eggs in disfigured condition just after exposure of radiation from a cell tower for 5 to 30 minutes. 5G developers are seeking to create a network that has fewer environmental impact than past networks. They are trying their level best to reduce the environmental impact of 5G network. Right now the environment is most delicate and sensitive. Overlooking these impacts is extremely risky for future generations. This is about the network 5G. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.